Look at that.
Look at this. I never saw this big present.
That's
And
a huge
big
present.
And hey, so many kinds of these.
You got some markers and crayons, paints and stamps, and a crown and stickers. And it's all Princess. This is perfect for you.
And we have to look first. Let's look at
The other one?
yeah. The second one. It's the Abby. The Abby one.
Abby wrapping paper. How cool is that?
How is I got this from the store.
Look at that. That's a lot of Play-Doh. Is it heavy?
Yeah. I got it. I was okay. Let me get somebody. This is the thing we got too. Yeah.
What is it?
Just what I wanted.
What is it?
What is it?
Princess Play-Doh.
Princess Play-Doh.
Last one. I hope. First I have to take the ribbon off.
Okay.
Put it on your head.
You want to put it in your head?
No. That would be more silly. This is Snow White Lego.
Wow, look at that. That's cool. Now you can build castles for Snow White.
Yeah.
How neat is that?
Yeah.
What do you want to play first?
Stand up and give a hug and say thank you very much, Carlota.